Cryptocurrencies, everybody's talking about them. If you want to know how to trade them profitably, listen up, we've got some great news for you. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach of video and podcast number 257. I'm going to talk about the hot topic of right now, which is cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, etc. Wherever you go online, it's all over the internet, it's all over newspapers. Is it a good thing? Is it not a good thing? Is it a bubble? Are people going to lose their homes over it? All these type of things are going on right now. And up until recently, I haven't personally had a lot to do with cryptocurrencies. But yesterday, I held a live 2-hour live webinar for my clients. And during that session, I saw a fantastic trade setup on the Forex charts, but on Bitcoin. It was a sell trade. And if you've been following Bitcoin, for example, back in mid-December, it was up at 19,000 US dollars. And now it's just sort of dropped below $12,000. And so I saw a technical setup on Bitcoin to sell it. It was on a 4-hour chart and it worked really nicely. Now the interesting thing was I took the trade on my Axi Trader account and the minimum lot size I was able to place was one standard lot. So with a volatile market like Bitcoin, there was quite a lot of movement and quite a big fluctuation in my profit and loss as the trade was progressing. So it is something that you'd need to have a relatively large account size in order to do, because there is potentially a lot of money to be made and also potentially some to be lost if you don't know what you're doing. But what I really did like about it is technically it didn't matter whether I was trading the Euro US dollar or Bitcoin against the US dollar, because technically the setup was there. And my charts and my software picked the candle pattern that I always look for regardless of what I'm trading or what time frame. And saw the trade, basically took the trade. Now, as I mentioned, volatility is there. The good thing is that with the way that I traded it through my broker, my MetaTrader 4 broker, is I didn't need 19,000 US dollars like you would have back in mid-December. Just imagine how those people are feeling today when the price is right now, as I'm recording this, is under $12,000. That's around a 37% loss on their money in 1 month. That's not good. You know, and the great thing is that with leverage through your broker, you don't need that money up front. So, good things to tell you about. Evo, who's a client of mine over in Ireland, he's been with me for about probably 4 or 5 years. He's developed a trading robot or an expert advisor that trades my strategy. He calls it Satoshi, and he trades it very successfully across Forex pairs. Now, he's developed that same robot to work across Bitcoin. Now, next week, on Thursday, the 25th of January, we're going to be holding a live webinar. It's going to be in the European session, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below this video and podcast where you can register and attend for free the live webinar that I'm going to be holding with Evo. And it's there's no obligation at all to anything. It's just to share with you information about Bitcoin, how to trade it, and also how to trade it automatically. Sounds really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. I don't promote people, but Evo I have promoted because he is a client of mine and a very successful client who's developed the automated strategy around my strategy. Very rare that I do things like this, so I think this is going to be really important for you to attend. So if you're interested, all you need to do is click on the link below this video, and I look forward to seeing you on that live webinar with myself and Evo from over in Ireland on Thursday, the 25th of January. I'll see you then.